How to thread your ABM CNC quilter. Place the spool of thread on the thread stand, making sure that it's firmly seated. Pass the thread through the thread eyelet just above the spool of thread. Make sure that the arm is directly above the spool of thread. Take the thread, pass it through the first eyelet to the second eyelet, go through the top, go around and then back to the top on the second hole of the second eyelet. Pass the thread up to the third eyelet and hook it there so you can reach it, or leave it where you can reach it. Walk to the front of the machine, release the trap door. You have two levers, one on the right to release the door, one on the left. Allow it to swing down, step in, take your thread, pass it through the third eyelet, come to the fourth eyelet, in the top, around, and back through the top just like on the second eyelet. Go past the little foam, go through the eyelet of the pre-tension, go between the discs of the pre-tension, hook into the thread guide just above the main tension, pass the thread behind and in between the discs of the main tension, bring it back up, make sure you catch the check spring located here, make sure the check spring is moving, go underneath the thread hook, pull some more thread if you need it, pass it through the take-up of the machine, to the eyelet of the take-up, down through the next thread guide, into the next thread guide, push on the back side for the thread brake, make sure it works, and then clip it into the thread brake. Go through the thread guide above the needle bar, pass through the thread guide eyelet on the needle bar, and then place into the needle eye. Now your ABM CNC quilter is properly threaded.